Alam mo ba sa halagang 15 to 25,000 monthly ay kaya mo na pala magkaroon ng ganitong townhouse dito sa Lipa, Batangas City?
For this video, ang ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ay townhouse and unit, pero meron din tayong inner unit na ongoing construction, at kung may balak ka naman mag-business ay meron din kaming ino-offer na commercial units.
Hey guys, this is Paul Bincal from JCRC Realty. Let me show you what 3.6 million pesos house and lot looks like here in Lipa, Batangas City.
This townhouse and unit has a lot area of 78 square meter and 65 square meter floor area. Meron itong 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, car park, and balcony. And for the master's bedroom naman ay meron access going to balcony. At ang kinagandaan ng unit na ito ay complete turnover na. Meaning, meron ng tiles, ceiling, and partition ng mga bawat kwarto. Lilipatan mo na lang talaga. At sa halagang 15,000 pesos, marireserve nyo na tong townhouse na ino-offer ko sa inyo. At hindi lang yan, very flexible din ang mga payment terms tulad ng spot cash, spot down payment, and installment plan. At pwede rin ito sa financing tulad ng Pag-ibig at bank financing. Ang kinagandahan naman ni The Park, ito ay malapit sa Startol Expressway, schools, hospitals, at malls. Meron din tayong amenities tulad ng basketball court, clubhouse, swimming pool, playground, and more. At 24/7 din ang security. Kaya sigurado safe ang pamilya mo dito sa The Park at Lipa.
Tips lang guys, isa ka rin ba sa nagpaplanong kumuha ng bahay? Alam mo ba na ang property natin ay tumataas taon-taon dahil sa inflation rate? Again, this is Paul Bincal from JCRC Realty. For more details and reservation, message us now. Thank you!